and I'm trying to make some lunch, and I really don't know what to make, so I'm gonna do a whole lot of bunch of stuff. All right, let me just show you what the ideas that I have. First and foremost, I picked up this awesome tabbouleh salad at Trader Joe's, and I promise you guys, it's crazy good. It's cauliflower tabbouleh, and this in itself can be lunch, but you know me already, I have to try add some more stuff to it. So I'm trying to go Mediterranean. You know, you ever feel like you want to eat like the Jews would call it the antipasto? Yeah, antipasta. Yeah, meaning a whole bunch of little stuff. So I'm gonna prepare some sardines. Yes, this is a Jamaican staple right there. So if you don't eat it and you're not from Jamaica or whatever, more power to you. I have some baby cucumbers or cucumber. Yeah, the Persian one them, little baby one them, organic. I have a salad, and this was one of the tomatoes on the vine. Yeah. Over here I have some grape tomatoes, and I also pick up what is called jicama sticks. Yeah, and jicama is a root vegetable, guys. And so I pick up that, and I'm gonna use some of that too. And I have some hummus, which is my jerk hummus that I made the other day. The video is posted there, but I will put a little link somewhere up there so you can see the video. And I have my Jamaican picker pepper. So I just going to put everything together, and I plan to have it with some yellow corn tortilla chips. Yeah, you see them there. I also have naan bread, so that can be used as well. So I'm gonna put everything on the plate and just try work magic and see what can go on. Alright, so whatever I'm doing, I'm gonna try walk it through it. So this is lunch. Trying to go healthy, trying to stay adventurous. So let's see if we can make something happen now. Yes man, Yardie belly. Taste buds. Alright, so may I start with my tomato, right? And this has been washed. And I just go. Where's some for the dice it, see?
That's the only way you can get like a consistent with them.
So I'm going to cut this tomato up into bite-sized pieces. You know, because I want to make like a tomato salad. You know, almost every culture have a little thing where they mix up different little vegetable together and make something. You know what I mean there? So I'm going to cut them into bite-sized pieces like these. And I'm going to pair those with the cucumber. Yeah. Oh, that sound. Oh, my tongue finer?
Cucumber.
Cucumber. Like Maccabee said, cucumber. Cucumber. Oh, sorry.
Tell them to check out Maccabee.
Check out Maccabee. Search Maccabee on Instagram and YouTube. Yeah, Maccabee is a Jamaican Rastaman where he's very knowledgeable of, you know, food, natural foods, and what the goodness of the different ingredients them. So I listen to him every Monday, and him have Monday and him have Wednesday when post different food ingredients, you know. So
and very poetic and rhythmic.
Yeah, him do it in a song. So Maccabee, me have to endorse the good people them will do good things. Yeah. Alright. So as I said, I wanted to just do some simple salads, right? Alright, with the baby cucumber, because I soak them in a water and vinegar, I'm gonna really vinegar and thing to make sure say them clean. So I'm not really worry about the skin thing, you know. And furthermore, the skin is very nice. Don't see? So can you look in the cupboard for me if you see any basil? I know I not have no fresh ones. Yeah, basil or herb, any type of herbs. Because as I said, I prepare this. Get some basil.
You want Jody?
Yeah, give me a little Jody.
But you don't want this complete.
No complete. And guys, as I say, you have to make your little lunch exciting. Give me the bigger container too, the bigger glass container, please. No, just this is good on the Jody. And then clean off my board because I might have to cut other things. And then I'm gonna use some olives. Gonna add some olives to that. And this is my olives, guys. I picked this up at Aldi, and so I'm gonna use some olives in this. So now I'm pouring all my stuff into there, and the olives are. Should I cut up the olives?
In half.
Cut them a little bit smaller. All right, now cut up some olives, and the olives then packed in brine, which includes oil and water, and it is Kalamata olives. You know, me have to struggle with big words. So, and they are not excessively salty like most olives would be salty. I think Aldi as a store, them really put out effort in, you know, trying to create healthier versions of whatever, you know. So I know, but I know you're not like olive too tough, so I know why you get not overwhelmingly big chunks. So the smartest thing to do is to smaller them up. But you have to make lunch, and this can even translate into dinner, I promise you, because if this comfortable to me, I don't think I need to go to no big dinner thing. Why you there move up your head, you not talk many people in here?
I want dinner.
You want dinner?
Stuffed pepper.
Stuff nothing. Here I watch I want stuffed peppers for dinner.
If you see a video, it means them do it.
Alright, so now I'm gonna put my olives into my tomatoes. Move this out the way. Thank you. And yeah, see how simple? Let me see if I can put this camera right over. Make it zoom in. Yeah, and then I'm gonna put some basil. And this is stone meal basil, dried basil. Normally if you have fresh basil it would be more awesome. But this is not a bad product, you know. And you just put some basil to your taste. I'm gonna also add a little Jodie's. Yeah. Jodie's kitchen. Just a little. I'm gonna put some freshly ground black pepper. And I'm gonna put a little salt, a little salt. No, and then I'm gonna put some olive oil, just a drizzle, light drizzle of this olive oil right here. Yeah, first press extra virgin, and them think I know me like the virgin then, you know.
Hey. Wow. Oh wow. Wow, that's all I can see right now.
Yeah, quick she comment on the wow, but wow. You ever hear about Virgin Mary and a baby boy?
I get virgin one time.
And that's my tomato right there. Yeah? How that look?
Divine.
Yeah, I'm gonna just leave this little bit for marinade. As a matter of fact, I'm gonna put some jicama in this right now. Yeah. I put a couple of jicama sticks in it. And just call it a day. And jicama is a root vegetable.
I was about to say, what is jicama?
It's a root vegetable. It come like fennel, you know, or them type of root vegetables. See them cut it in sticks. So I just have to cut the sticks then. It really now make my little son taste it yesterday. And yeah, the boy, it tastes like nothing.
Nothing.
The boy said it tastes like nothing. Can you believe that?
What is it called?
Jicama.
I'm gonna look it up right now.
And it is one of those vegetables that you really want to try. It's like almost, the consistency is almost like sugar cane when you look at it. You know?
Oh, it starts with a J.
And so I'm going to put some jicama sticks in there. And spin that round a little bit more.
It looks like a potato or shaped like an onion. But
Yeah.
it look like potato.
Yeah. See?
Mexican yam bean.
Yam bean.
Or Mexican turnip.
Okay, so it's it right back in the thing. It is a turnip. Alright? And that's my salad. So the next thing I'm gonna do now is my sardines. Yeah, so watch and see how go. Trust me on that. Remember me tell you? So here we go now. May I go with this is a Vidalia onion, guys. And Vidalia onion is one of the sweet onions. Trust me, it is so crunchy and sweet. You can just wash it and peel it and stuff. And you can eat this like an apple. Alright? And I'm using this with my sardines because you do get that onion flavor, but it's not intense. As a matter of fact, it is more sweet. Yeah? So I'm going to put a couple more on the camera. So I'm going to show me what I talk about. And Vidalia onions are, I don't know if they're available all over the place, but we get them in the US. Again, you can pick it up in a Aldi, you know, or you can pick it up in a Presidente. Just look for sweet onion. Alright, so I'm going to dice up some sweet onion and to show you how versatile this onion is and how, you know, me like use it. It not even make you cry. Yeah, the onion don't make you cry at all. It is a cry-free onion. You understand? Or where Sizzler said dry cry, even tears. So put him onion in the container. Now I know a lot of Jamaicans, as soon as them come a foreign, them no bother name sardine again. Right? But me eat my sardine same way. Right? Because sardine is the stuff of life. Remember in Jamaica, me used to have to eat my sardine. And sardine nice with rice. What you call it, green bean? Sardine, what? Sardine was nice. Me not tell no lie. Alright, so I have some grape tomatoes here. I'm going to wash them. And the grape tomatoes, you don't put them in the fridge, guys. You really don't put grape tomatoes in the fridge. Alright, I'm just add them all. Yeah, I'm just add them like that. And then I'm gonna get into my picker pepper. Yeah. And the picker pepper is, again, this is homemade. If you want me to make some for you, you can send me a message in the description box and me give you the information. Now my picker pepper having chayote squash, it having scotch bonnet peppers, it having onions, and it having carrot swirls, or you know, see them there. I'm taking out some of the vegetables because I'm gonna cut these up in my sardines, and these are all pickled in vinegar. with the Scotch bonnet pepper. And I promise you guys, this is my go-to condiment. I put it on fish, I put it on, and it lasts such a long time. I did these quite a number of moons ago, and it's still holding out. So
smell more intense and very flavorful.
Very, very flavorful. Let's you find me have to dice them because you don't want. Well, me can deal with it. Me can bear it up, but the wife can't bear it up. And the son love pepper, and him say, "Boy, daddy, this is hot," you know. So I'm adding that too into my. Now this is a Mediterranean style dish me I make, but me Jamaicanize it. All right, and that's one of the things that I want to do, guys. I want to explore food from all over. I want to put my own unique Caribbean twist on it, you know. So then I have my sardines. Now this is where the controversy starts, because for me, I utilize everything in my sardine, both the oil and the sardine. And I don't when once I pull it out the can, and me not bother with no excessive cleaning up. Some people clean out everything out of the sardine. Sardines, the bones in sardines are very, very good and very, very essential to women. It have calcium. You understand what I'm saying? And if the sardines are already canned in a certain particular way, unless you really don't want the excess oil, me not see the necessity of, overdoing the cleaning. But some people just like overshare. All right, but I'm gonna add the sardine. Sorry, I'm gonna add my sardines, and I open them like so, and I'm gonna, because I see the wife here look, now I gotta dump the whole of that oil in there. You don't mind? It's not olive oil, it's soya bean oil. So now I gotta take them out of the soya bean oil. It matter, man, me no want the oil. Take them out of the oil. Yeah, we have. Yeah, you can buy the one them with olive oil, guys. Yeah, Brunswick sells some with olive oil, but because me, really plan to spend no excess money on olive oil side. You see, so I'm gonna chop up the oil here, and instead, I'm gonna go back to my go-to olive oil, and I'm gonna add some olive oil to this. And again, this is first press organic something supernatural.
First cold press.
First cold press, meaning it freezing. And then I'm gonna add some of my brine from my picker pepper. Yeah, see there? I'm gonna add 2 tablespoons of vinegar from the picker pepper. And I have lemon in the fridge. I'm gonna take out a lemon and add the lemon. The lemon is gonna be, part of the whole ensemble. So a little bit messy that. Now when I crush my sardines, I don't over crush. I just break it up so that it can be, more absorbed into the dish. Yes, I'm gonna tell you, say it's real cooking we do around here, we not fake the thing. You understand? We do real cooking. Actually, we are foreign, we not going like so we are foreigner. We just come in and do what we have to do. Yeah, and the best we can. You see me? Yeah, my mama tell you. Alright, so now I have some black pepper. Put some Yardies. I have to put my Yardies because I like my little greenery. Normally I would put some scallion tips, make the greenery stop up, show up a little bit. I can't bother right now, really. Put my black pepper. See that? See that?
Wonderful. You need some green?
No. Want some cilantro or something like that on it? Or some Italian parsley? Can put some Italian parsley on it. Yeah, I put some Italian parsley. So let me just wash my Italian parsley, and you just pretty much want to cut them up tonight. So like so. Watch your finger, man. You cut your finger. Alright, and you crush them a little bit to release some of the flavor notes. Yeah. And how we that? It smells nice, eh? And then I just go try present this on a plate and make it look decent, you know, and show you my lunch. Well, the family lunch, you know, which could have translate to dinner because you don't know it stay around here. Well, guys, so I'm going to come up with you. Alright, me just try my best. Alright, so this is my corn tortilla chips. I have my sardine mixture here. In Trinidad, them call this sardine choker. Yeah. I don't know how I'm going to make that yet, but... And then I have my jerk hummus with a little bit of jerk sauce and a drizzle of olive oil. And over here, I have my cauliflower tabbouleh. And that is an awesome one that I picked up ready-made at Trader Joe's. And over here, my cucumber jicama tomato salad. And guys, see there? That is lunch. I tell you. We just have to try something, you know. In a year neck of the woods. The Yardie Belly kitchen, you know. And every day we try something new. You understand what I say? Remember to check out the description box. Like, share, subscribe, and all them rest of something there. And big up on yourself. You don't know it, go. This is my lunch, antipasto lunch. Mediterranean style, Yardie style. Member. Taste buds. Once again, big up on yourself. Wifey, you have nothing to say?
Can't talk.
Can't talk. Shall wait for you eat. Member.